Primetime news this evening. Change the approach. Golding gives reasons for not signing letter affirming Peter Phillips as opposition leader. Finding support. Brownberg defends under fire PNP-YO president's letter giving ultimatum to party president. And Lisa prevails. St. Anne Southeast MP retains seat in judicial recount. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're live on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day, sports commentary, E-Prime and weather. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening. Who do you think should be the next president of the People's National Party? Give reasons for your answer.
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.